2015 Edward R.C. Warbird Day.
Yeah, I talked to her because I wanted to. I was just
I'm going to do an American flag tow.
Called me. Haven't talked to him in 40 years.
36cc Pawnee.
Yeah, because they're having some kind of a family reunion the end of this month.
The only reason he called you?
No?
First time my family talks to you.
He lives way up in the north.
It's probably a 2-day drive.
Yeah. That's what I told
It takes to get from here to Rantoul, Illinois.
Well, we know one thing, that engine sure develops horsepower. Okay, while y'all watching the flag, we've got some extra hot dogs over there, and I got a deal for you. We're not going to give them away. We'll sell the hot dogs, the buns, and fixings for 50 cents a piece. However, we're not going to give change, so you might as well buy $1 worth. We ain't got no silver, so I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, it's not too bad. You get 2 hot dogs for $1. You can help us out. Don't forget what it's for. This is for the club to do things like this. And it's for maintenance of our building and the lawnmower and the field. And we appreciate your contributions. Now this slide here is in memory of Ken. As you know, Ken just passed away here recently. And he was a military guy at one time in his life.